Hey guys, Kim in Storytime Soap Shop. I've been working on so many projects and it's all been work. Can't all be work, so sorry, I'm moving around like crazy. My hair is all crazy. Ugh. I wanted to do something fun. It's rainy and icky outside. And I know a lot of youngsters who are into Harry Potter, so I decided to make some Floo Powder. Now, I did not come up with this. I actually saw another YouTube video and thought, what a cool, nifty idea. I had all the ingredients here at the shop already, so these cannot be sold unless you have permission. You know, it's intellectual property. This is a Harry Potter project, or product, Harry Potter label, so you can't make money off somebody else's ideas. So with further ado, let's go make some Floo Powder. Okay, we're going to start with a clean beaker or measuring glass. And we're going to add 6 ounces of epsom salt, or any kind of salt you want to use. We're going to add 1 ounce of baking soda and 1 ounce of citric acid. Give that a stir, just to get it all mixed up here. Okay, and then we're going to take some neon green pigment from Nurture. Start with half a teaspoon. Yeah, there we go. And all we're doing here is just smushing out some clumps, making sure that everything has that neat little neon color to it. And the next thing we're going to add is some of the glow in the dark pigment from Nurture. Half a teaspoon in there. We're going to add some fragrance from Nature's Garden. And then we'll mix that, stir that up to incorporate. Yeah, I'm gonna go Crow Magnet on this. My hand's in there. I want to make sure everything's good and incorporated. I don't want different. There we go. I'm going to add some intergalactic glitter. That was about half a teaspoon. I just did it. Oh, sorry, I kicked the camera. Just did that to give it a little extra sparkle. We'll just grab our little bale jar here. This has been sanitized. I'll just spoon some of that in there. Alright. So I'll let this sit in front of a light for just a little while to charge up that pigment, and it will glow in the dark. Take my gloves off here. Apply this sticker I may have just found it online. And printed it off. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Have a great day.